When someone says summer or refreshing, the two things that come to my mind are popsicles and lassi. Let's bring the two together today and make mango lassi popsicles, which are super quick, delicious, and you only need about 3 to 4 very basic ingredients to put it together. Let's get started. The first ingredient that we need to make the mango lassi is of course mangoes. I'm going to cut the mangoes. I need about 1 cup of cubed mangoes. And now this goes into the jar of my blender. Into this, I'm also adding 1 cup of dahi or yogurt. I'm using regular homemade dahi, along with 1/4 cup of water. Now into this, I'm adding 2 optional ingredients. I'm adding cardamom powder, along with a few strands of kesar. And now our final ingredient, 3 to 4 tablespoons of honey. You could also use sugar if you like, and you can adjust it according to the sweetness of your mangoes. And now it's time to process everything together until it all gets blended and you have a nice, smooth and thick lassi. My mango lassi is ready. Now if you want, you could drink this as it is, but what I like to do is pour them into these popsicle molds that you can easily buy online. Now if you don't have these popsicle molds, you could still make the lassi popsicles. All you need to do is to pour the lassi into small steel katoris or glasses or whatever you have at hand, because that would work perfectly fine as well. The shape would be different of course, but you would be easily able to pull it out once the popsicles are completely frozen. So I've carefully poured all the lassi into the molds. Now I'm going to cover it with aluminium foil. Use a knife to make slits in the foil and then insert the ice cream sticks into these slits. So the mango lassi popsicles are now ready for the freezer. I'm going to freeze them for 8 hours or overnight. So my popsicles have been in the freezer overnight and it's now time to demold them. Once I bring them out of the freezer, I let them sit on the counter for a minute or so that once I pull them out using the stick of the ice cream, they come out easily. These mango lassi popsicles are so delicious and creamy, and the best part is that everybody in my house absolutely loves them, from my grandparents to my parents to my sister. And I love making them because they're so delicious, so simple to make, and you can put them together with just a few kitchen staples like curd and mango and honey, and that's really about it. So I hope you guys will try this recipe at home. And if you want to watch more of these no-bake summer treats on this channel, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to share more such recipes with you. Until then, happy baking and take care.